Welcome. In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action-X3, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. So start off by holding the power key and then tap on power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume down. So power and volume down. And once you feel the vibration, you can let go. Okay, so from recovery mode we will use only volume keys to navigate, like so, and power key will be used to confirm. And with that in mind, select reboot to bootloader and confirm with the power key. And you can see now that we're in Fastboot mode. So that is how you would access it, and if you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key till the phone turns off. So connect that now. And then press it again to turn the device back on. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would boot in and out of the Fastboot mode. And if you found it very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.